how to tie a scarf into La Rose. First, you're going to take your scarf, and I like to work with silk scarves that are 4x4. You're going to take your scarf and fold it in half. That makes a triangle. At the top of the triangle, you'll take the two loose ends and tie them into a knot. After that, you have your triangle with your knot at the top. Next, you're going to take your right arm and go through the top of the triangle where the knot is. With your left arm, you're going to reach through and pull that end of the right scarf. With your left hand, you're going to take and double twist the scarf, bringing the right arm back through the loop at the top. Next, you're going to take your scarf and you're going to knot it. What I like to do is I like to double knot it on the side. You can actually leave it like this for a chic side knot. Otherwise, you can take the loose ends and tuck them in to the sides of your scarf. And voila, there you have it, La Rose. Thanks for watching The Head Wrap Socialite. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit that bell for subscribe.